Jai Hind to everyone. I am Ashutosh Kumar Singh, your history teacher. As you know, the first chapter is going on, and today we have to discuss another topic, historians and their sources. This is a classical topic for all the students because there are many crucial terms in this topic. So I am going to discuss these terms in a little detail. By these terms, you can easily understand this topic. These terms are very interesting, so let's understand one by one. Investigation. Investigation means the idea of an active effort to find out something. This is also called research. Variety of textual records, especially textual records. Textual records are books and written and printed work. We can say textual records are related to books, other written or printed work. Written records such as handwritten, typescript, published, etc. Holy text. Holy text are called religious text. Next, chronicles. Chronicles are called written records of historical events. You can understand a written records of historical events in the order in which they happened. Chronicles are written records of historical events in the order in which they happened. Petitions. A written document signed by many people to do something or to change something. Petitions means written documents signed by many people to do something or to change something. Manuscripts. This is very important term. Manuscripts. A very old book or document that was written by hand. Old books or documents that were written by hand are called manuscripts. What does archive means? We pronounce correctly archives. Spelling is ARCHIVES. 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 A collection of historical documents or records providing information about a place, institution, or group of people. We can also mention that a place in which public records or historical materials are stored or kept or preserved. Listen again. Archives are places in which public records, historical materials are stored or kept or preserved. Next term is scribes. Define scribes. A person whose job was to write copies of historical documents. A person whose job was to write copies of historical documents when there was no printing press. Transactions. Transactions, a piece of business that is done between people. Next, what is the means of miniature? What do you mean by miniature? A miniature is a very small detailed painting. What does Nastaliq mean? Listen carefully. This is very important. What does Nastaliq mean? An Arabic script. You know, script means letters for writing. Script means letters for writing. An Arabic script developed about the 15th century and used mainly for Persian poetical writing. What is shikaste? Spelling is shikaste. Shikaste. A style of writing where parts of word are placed at different levels. We should know the meaning of inscription. Inscription. Inscriptions in history, historical, religious or other records painted or written on stone, brick, metal or other hard surface. Try to understand it. Inscriptions are historical, religious or other records painted or written on stone, brick, metal or other hard surface. And at last, you should know the meaning of architecture. What do you mean by architecture? Architecture means style of buildings. Architecture means design of buildings. Now I hope you have understood each term and you are able to answer for any questions related to these terms. Now move on the topic, historians and their sources. Historians and their sources. According to the sense of this topic, there are many historical sources such as inscription, architecture, coins, textual records by which we learn about the past. We find continuity in historical sources because historians continuously believed on coins, inscriptions, architecture and textual records to make idea about the history of ancient period. But we also find the discontinuity in historical sources because variety of textual records increased and they took the place of other types of available information. Here, this is necessary to tell that during 14th century, paper was easily available and people used it to write many historical texts. You can focus on the value of paper, page number 4. Manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, rulers, monasteries, and temples, and stored in archives. You can focus figure number 1 at page 5, archives. Listen, when there was no printing press, many scribes copied manuscripts by hand. But we find small changes due to their handwriting. We also find miniature painting. You can see this picture of miniature painting. You can see figure 2 at page number 6 about the Nastaliq and Shikaste. There is Nastaliq and Shikaste writing style. Some manuscripts had been written in these writing style. And at last, Ziauddin Barni was the 14th century chronicler who wrote his first chronicle in 1356. Dear students, these points are very important. So read this topic properly with the help of discussed terms and points. I hope you will do better. That's all. Jai Hind.